Okay, welcome back everyone to another exciting Midjourney tutorial. Today I'm very much thrilled to talk about this small prompt, which I consider to be an ultimate prompt to produce coloring pages and these drawings that you see right in front of your screen. Um, as you might have been wondering, and you might have been scrolling through the YouTube, you see already that there are literally tons of people talking about various ways to make potential money with AI and using Midjourney, but let's be honest, it's not that easy. So, anyways, one of the very one of the very potential opportunity that I think we could utilize while using Midjourney was creation of color books and selling them on Amazon. And there are very decent YouTubers who have shared a whole bunch of tutorials on the full process. But today we are not going to focus on the full process, but we're gonna make sure that we tap the right prompt to produce the right kind of images to use in the coloring books for the kids. So this is one example right in front of your screen, and without wasting further time, because usually these videos get a bit lengthy, and I really hate it, but unfortunately, um, due to the slow generation process and all the stuff happening, this stretches a bit longer. So without further ado, without wasting much time, we're going to just do a deep dive and see how we can produce these amazing coloring books or images through one single prompt. This is it. You do not need any other prompt if you are using this one single prompt. You can just change the scenes and you can keep on producing the images. So I'm going to share it right in the start. And you see the prompt is here. 2D outline, simple vector monochrome coloring page depicting the scene on a white background with an aspect ratio of 3:2. Of course, I'm running version 5. That's pretty much it. So we're going to test this prompt multiple times. So let's do it. So we're gonna type 2D outline, simple vector monochrome coloring page depicting, now there's the scene depicting a cat on the sofa on white background, aspect ratio of 3:2, sorry, not 1, and that's all. So we are going to wait for that image to be produced, and then we'll see what it comes up with. Okay, showing us something. Uh, Let us see what's coming up. Okay, that looks like a nice cat. Let us see. Come on, it's already getting a bit slow. 62%, 78%. Okay. Huh, nice. You can see it's pretty straight, simple forward application, and it's very easy to draw for the kids. So, of course, this one is a bit niche, but anyways, I mean, I could upscale to very easily, and I could get the image I wanted. There you go. Excellent, not bad, really. So then let's say if I want a 2D outline, simple vector, monochrome coloring page depicting Maybe what should be the prompt? Or what should I be? Really? I'm out of ideas right now. Maybe hmm, depicting a bird flying, a bird sitting on the tree. Yeah, so that's going to be a complex one. So let's see how this works in our setting. Two, P ratio 2. So let's see. Of course, it's going to take a while. Coming up, nice and steady. Okay, loading. So I do have, while this is loading for you, oh yeah, it's very straightforward and simple. And I'm pretty sure kids are gonna love that. I know my niece will love it. Okay, it's loading. Probably we could choose one of them. 78%. It's really slow. Okay, 93%. Not bad at all. So which one would be less complex for kids to work on? Let's see. Maybe this one. Yeah. So we'll upscale 4. And if so, a small catch here. So if you are producing these coloring pages, these books, we can open that in a separate window. Wow, nice. Do I see a little shade here? Maybe, yeah. So I want without shade, right? So maybe I'll do upscale 3. So yeah, what I was telling already, if you're kind of if you're kind of concerned about the dimensions of your images, I found a free upscaler for you. So this is where you can actually upscale your images to about 8x, for instance. So let's see if you have this image. If we save that, and of course it's my apologies, my computer. It's not Midjourney. So if we save this one, pretty long, pretty long name for a file. Anyways, so we save it and then we choose the file. And I'm going to show you in a minute that what's the difference in the resolution is for both of these images, the original one and the upscale one. So I stretch it to the maximum length. I'm gonna let it resize. We're gonna go back to this image. Of course, we did not choose this one, but we chose the other one. Yeah, this one. This one is pretty clean and decent. Yeah, we can probably have this as the page that we're looking for. But anyways, yeah, this is still processing. So we are asking it to scale it up at a much higher resolution. So let's see if it's done. Not yet. So yeah, I mean, so this is pretty much the prompt. So you can produce any kind of coloring book pages. For instance, if I want to produce some kind of Marvel coloring books, of course, these are copyrighted, but I'm not going to show them here. But let's say if I want to do 2D outline, simple vector, monochrome coloring page depicting Batman and Superman fight dash dash AR view issue 2. Come on, that's all. So this one is already finished, so we'll download it and we'll go back to Discord and see what our results are. In the meanwhile, I'm going to open um, resolution of the images also to show you. This one is loading. Oh dear, wow, so something is coming up. Okay, let's see what it shows. All right, so if you see here, my apologies. Let it load. Let it load first, and then we'll see. Oh dear, 93%. Let's see. Yeah, there are too many shades here. So I would want to choose which one? Which one would you like? This one, right? So this one is pretty decent for a coloring book because rest of them have shades. So we're gonna let it go 1, 2, 3. So we're gonna upscale 3. And here, if you go, this is our original image, right? So if we click on that and we go to the properties, of course I could hover up over the image, but I just wanted to show you. Go to the details. The actual image is 1344 into 896 pixels. That's all, right? But if we go to the upscaled image, go to the properties, details, look at the resolution here, 10,752 into 7168 pixels. It is a lot of resolution. So DPI actually does not matter unless the DPI is dots per inch. It's a kind of a different metric, but unless you so if your resolution is too big, DPIs will still become irrelevant. But this is the quality, right? Look at the upscaling. So you can probably do any kind of upscaling of images through this tool. So this is also one handy tool to use. But look at that. So 1344 to 10,752 pixels. That's huge, and you can easily print that anywhere. I'm pretty sure about that. So and there goes our there goes the Superman. Oh, that's both of them are Superman with Batman, right? Ha, weird. Okay, so maybe we could do a variation of the three, right? So let's do it. I mean Batman and Superman fight, right? So, okay, let's see. Both became Batman plus Superman. What the heck? So, but while this actually loads, I'm gonna write the prompt here again for your reference. So imagine 2D outline, simple vector monochrome coloring page. That's all you need. That's all you need to produce your coloring pages. So, and this one is just finishing. It did finish. It somehow got really mixed up. So, anyways, so it's mixing up the Batman. It's mixing up the Batman and the Superman, anyways. So yeah, okay. Not really something that I would expect anyway. So Batman, Superman, whatever. So yeah. Okay, cool. Both Batman and Superman. Right. Okay, so this is all for this tutorial. Of course, this Batman and Superman prompt needs a little bit of revision, and it'll be all okay. But anyways, this was not about the Batman and Superman. This was about the coloring pages. So this is pretty much all that you need, and I hope you liked the video. And again, I want to thank you very much again for the support that you've provided thus far to me, and thank you very much for the comments that you guys are providing to me. You're sharing with me your thought processes and your work, and I really appreciate that. And I hope to have continued discussions on your workflows and how you're experimenting with the art. And I'm going to see you next time. In the meanwhile, take good care of your time and your health. And I say this because time and health both are important. And yeah, that's we will meet again in a few days. Thank you very much. Take good care. Bye bye.